In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a list in Klaviyo. Begin by logging into your Klaviyo account. Once you're on the home page, look to the menu on the left side of your screen and scroll until you see Audience. Click on it and it will reveal more options. From there, click on Lists and Segments. Here you'll see all the lists and segments you've already created, and under the Type column, you can easily distinguish between lists and segments. To create a new list, click on Create New at the top right corner of your screen, then click on Create List. Enter a name for your new list. You also have the option to create or assign a tag. Once you've named your list and added any tags, click on Create List. Your new list will now appear empty. You'll see options prompting you to create a sign-up form, set up a subscribe page, or upload contacts directly into this list. If you need help with importing contacts, we have a full video dedicated to that process. After you add contacts, they'll show up in the Members section of this list. Similarly, any sign-up forms tied to this list will be visible under the Sign-up Forms section. When you return to the main Lists and Segments page, you'll see your newly created list, how many members it contains, and the date it was created. And that's how you can easily create a new list in Klaviyo.